golf lesson ni Kuya. Sila lang pala. Kasi what time is your golf lesson again, Kuya? 2 o'clock or 1:30? 2 o'clock. Pero early sila kasi mag-warm up si Kuya for 1 hour. And then si Jan, ida-drop off niya ako sa Ikea. Are you coming with me, Sak? Or are you gonna go with Daddy?
Yeah.
Coming with me? Si Sak sasama sa akin siya. Si Hall.
Dad.
Oh, she's coming with you daw, Dad. No, you're coming with Mommy. So punta kami ng Ikea kasi titingin ako ng
Yeah, you're going to Ikea, Baba.
tingnan lang
I've got to
natin.
take TJ to golf.
Yes.
You come tomorrow.
You
with
don't
Daddy.
have to take Zach around
Wow.
Yeah,
because there's a little toy.
No, he can come with
yeah,
me.
you can have a play there, but he's not smart.
Yeah. So yun, mag ano tayo, punta tayo ng
Yeah.
Ikea. Are you gonna play today, huh?
Oh,
Do you have a lesson today?
no, he's got a lesson tomorrow.
You have a lesson
No,
tomorrow.
I don't need a lesson.
Minsan kayo nag-ano ko, nag 1 hour lesson ka. Are you gonna come with me, Holly, or Daddy?
Daddy.
You're not my best friend? Poor Mommy. Who you gonna go with?
Dad.
So Daddy daw talaga siya. You know, you're coming with me, Bob. No, Daddy has to
You
take...
come to golf tomorrow, Bob.
Tomorrow we're
We
going.
go watch TJ and Zach play in the...
Bukas tasama kami. Kasi early morning yun, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock.
Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow.
Nag-stop kami dito sa OTR para bumili ng drink si Kuya
Let's go, go.
and Zach. Ayan. What you got, Han?
Sure.
Ito ang kanyang current favorite, cherry ripe.
I know I had to watch that.
Yan, dito na tayo sa may Ikea, guys. Ikea. Okay, see you, Kuya. Good luck. See you. Ayun yun ang lipstick ko. No, there's no lipstick, honey. See ya. I'll text you later, hon.
Open that door so I can get out.
Wait, Dad.
Baba, say see you to Daddy.
Yeah, right.
Okay, come on. Baba, don't forget your bag. Oh,
I just step on it.
oh you just step on it, Baba. Say see ya. See ya. Okay, wait. Okay. Here's your bag, Baba. Say bye, Dad. Okay, Dad. Baba, here. Come on. Slowly. Okay, let's go. Oh, Baba, your bag, please, Holly. Okay, go. Nakalimutan ko yung tripod. Baka shake itong vlog natin today. Careful, Baba. Go. Hold, Mama. Stay there. It's alright. Baba, watch out. Yung una kong nakita, oh, parang sa Philippines lang, oh. Ang cute. Pwede ilagay dito yung ano, pag may paso para mas maganda tingnan. Tapos may plant, no? $14. Parang $15 na rin. Ha? Tingnan si Holly. Saan ka pupunta, Baba? That's not your bed. Is it nice?
Oh my god. I don't think this is.
Yeah. It's nice. Wow. And may mirror dito. Ayan ang ating OOTD for today. So, ayan. Sporty look lang tayo. Ha? Buy that mirror? Why? Because it's nice. I like it. $69. Let's go. Come on. Tingin-tingin lang muna tayo. This is nice, Holly. Oh. Ha? Come on, Baba. Good job. Good job, Baba. Well done. Love you. Later, we're gonna buy more drink, okay? Kaming nakikita tong bata dito. Gusto niya raw kasi may pink, oh. Ang cute nga naman, oh. Pa tayong ba? No, Baba. Gusto niya to, oh. It's not $9. It's $20. $19.99. We don't need that one, Baba. Not now, okay? Next time. Yes, okay. Thank you. Good job, Baba. Yes, Kuya? No, I'm not getting it. Okay, come on. It's alright now. Kuya Sak. Kulit, okay. Ikaw magdala niyan. Come on. Come on. Cute naman ang ano, oh, yung cot na ginawa siyang single bed. Huh? Kitchen. Oh, wow, yes. Kitchen. Ayun, oh, tinuturo ni Holly yung kitchen. Ayan. Yes? Ano? What? What's that? Wow, that's nice. That's not your bed. That's for baby. That's nice. Okay, let's go. May nakita niya. Nakita. It's not fun. Okay, let's go. Akala ko kukunin niya na. Ang kitchen dun, oh. Ah, wait, Baba. You like kitchen? Yes. Nice. You wanna wash your hands? No. There's no water there, Baba. Come on. Ang cute, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ang cute nito, oh. This is nice. Ang cute ng ano, ha? $99, yes. Ang cute, oh, no? Ang cute ng setup nila, oh. Tapos napakalinis tingnan, no? Ang ganda. Baba, you like this kitchen? Yes. Huh? No, you're not allowed with knife. Not yet. This is cute. This is for you, Kuya Sak. Maganda to pang ano, pang bata, katulad kila Holly. Asan kaya to? Wait lang, ha. Nafa-fascinate si Holly sa mga ano, sa ganito yung kitchen. Tingnan mo, oh. Sabi niya, wait. Are you done? Oh, okay. Oh, anong gagawin niya? Anong gagawin nito? What are you doing? Ha? Ano kaya kukunin niya? What are you looking for, Baba? Feeling. What are you looking, Baba? Hurry up! Palay, hinahanap niya yung ano niya. May hinahanap siyang hindi niya mahanap. Na hindi. What's that? What are you looking for? Okay, hurry up. Come on, let's go. That's it. Come on, Papa. Baba, get up now, please. Are you looking for your money? That's for later. That's for later. Kinuha niya yung ano, supply. Hurry up, Papa. What you gonna do with the brush, Baba? What you gonna do with that one? Just wait. What are you doing, Holly?
Hi guys!
Are you vlogging the kitchen? Okay, put your brush back in your bag. Okay, turn it off. Okay, enough niya na yung kanyang imaginary camera. Funny ka, Holly, doon. Hurry up. Meron pala siyang vlogging camera sa bag. Do you wanna be a vlogger, Baba? Huh? Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, let's go. Cute dito, guys. Oh. So, dito may ilalagay yung mga spices. And then, dito yung mga bag ng bata. Charot. Come on. Okay, let's go. Ang cute nito, oh. Kasi pwede kang para siyang blackboard. Tapos, pag binuksan mo siya, tadan! Ref. Tapos doon, may cabinet doon sa taas. Ang cute, no? So, ayan ang ref. Ito, freezer siguro to dito. Yes. Ayan. Ref din. Hindi siya freezer. Para lalagyan ng mga vegetables. Diba? Maganda siya, oh. Ang cute. Magkano ka naman? Walang nakalagay na price. Pero hindi naman natin bibilhin. Tingnan lang natin kung magkano siya. Ha? What's that? Yes, very easy to open. Even this one, look. Ang galing, oh. Dali lang siyang buksan. Tsaka ito, oh. Okay, you open it. See? Nice. Careful. Okay, let's go. Kasi yan yung taas niya. Ito, parang gusto ko siya, oh. Ito yung parang chopping board na... Anong parang chopping board? Chopping board niya. Tapos, ilalagay lang siya dyan. Tapos, hindi siya magmumove, oh. It's alright. Ayan. Magkano kaya ito? Mabigat nga lang. Ha? I know. Except this one. Oh, because this is the oven. They have safety lock here, Baba. Hinahati niya yung lollies para kay Sak. Ito yung ibibigay. Huwag pang ibigay yung nasa... It's alright, Baba. No, that's for Saki now. Look at that one, Baba. Open that one. That's a fridge. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, ang labo niyo. Cute ng showroom na to. Tingnan niyo, pagpasok mo, bed. Tapos, dito sa gilid, ayan, meron kang couch. Tapos, nandyan yung mga closet. Tapos, meron pa dito. And then, ayan, mirror. Tapos, may corner ka dun, oh. And then, lakad ka dito. Ayan na yung, ayan na yung bathroom. May shower room. Ayan. Shower room. Tapos, meron naman silang, lalagyan ng towels or mga shampoos. May malaki silang mirror. Tapos, ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Tapos, andyan yung toilet. And then, meron naman dito. Maliit siya, pero na-maximize niya, ha? Ang ganda. Tapos, meron pa dito ang corner na ilalagay mo lang yung towel mo. Oh. Ayun, ang cute. $4? Okay, let's go. Ang ganda. Tapos, ayan, meron dyan na. Pang babae to, kay Holly. Diba, ang cute? Tapos may mirror dyan, oh. Ang laki ng mirror nila. My God. Ang ganda siya. Maganda sana kung wooden dito sa side, oh. Ang cute! Ha? Look at this, oh. Study room. Ah, study table. Study room. Ito, study table. Pardon me? You're just about to go in. Lucky you didn't, sa. Come on. Ang cute ng mga showroom nila. Baba, come on. Ayan pa. Oh, look at this, Baba. Look at that one. Tapos ayan yung bed. Sa taas sa ilalim for study table. Tapos meron dyan, oh. Di ba ang cute? Ang daming magaganda ditong pwedeng ano. Gayaan ba sa bahay mo kung mayroon lang maliit na space, tapos pwedeng maximize mo talaga siya. Come on, Baba, let's go. I know, let's go. Come on. Come on, Baba. Another cute na showroom, oh. Ayun naman si Oli, oh. Ang cute. Baba, is it nice? You like it? I like it too, Baba. That's not bad. Come on. Come on, Baba. Nandito pa rin kami sa showroom and then hindi namin mahanap yung palabas. Paikot-ikot kaya sabi ko, napunta na natin ito, ah. Come on. Ayan, nakalabas na kami sa showroom and dito kami sa, ano, kasi nagugutom na yung mga bata. Ha? Okay. Where are we gonna sit, sa? Oh, that's too high. Come on, let's order first. Come on, Holly. Come on. Yeah. We're gonna find your, we're gonna get food first. Go inside. What are you doing? Yes, Bob. Almond cake. Here, Zach, here. Ito yung in-order ko sa, ano, dito sa Ikea. Meron tayong, Swedish meatballs. Tapos, dapat mashed potato to. Sabi ko, pwedeng, ano, palitan na lang na, parang quinoa yata to, or brown rice. Yeah, brown rice. And then, garlic bread, passion fruit, cheesecake, and then almond cake. And then, ayan yung drink. Yes, Baba? You wanna try this one? Yeah. Yeah. You share with Kuya Sa. So, kain guys. Baba, that's too big. That's too big, Baba. It's small only. Like this, ah. Ayan, wala tayong tripod. Gamitin natin ang, eto, dito ko kayo ilalagay, oh. Ay, diba? Ha? Get tissue there na po. There. Ask the lady. There, oh. kumain and baba na tayo para magtingin-tingin naman dito sa dito sa baba. Okay, Zach. The cart, yes. Okay, baka may makita kasi ako para hindi na tayo bumalik dito. Okay, Baba. You want to put your bag here, Baba? Kanina mo pa yan bit-bit. Okay, good job. Medyo mabigat to. Inapin mo. Put it here. Put it here, Baba. Good job. Oops. Okay, let's go. Ang cute ng ano, oh. Ang cute ng kulay ng funnel. Hoy, Holly. Oh, you got yellow one. You want yellow? Kanina hinahanap niya pink. No, we just gonna get one sack. Gusto niya. No. Just get the yellow one, Kuya.
Why do you like yellow? Is that your favorite color?
Huh?
Your favorite color?
No, I just like it.
I like the blue.
So, eto yung nakita ko kanina sa showroom. Kuha tayo nitong isa. Ayan, $22.99 siya. Cute nito, oh. Kasi wala sila ibang kulay. Red lang. Holly! Pot holder. Put that one there, Zach, please. Thank you. Na ang ziplock kasi maganda yung ziplock nila. Nakita ko to kay Race nung pagpunta ko sa bahay nila. Maganda siya. Tapos colorful. Ayan, oh. Yes, Baba. Yes. Okay, wait. Yeah, we're gonna buy this one. May nakita siyang pink na straw, oh.
It's tissue for the party.
For the party. Whose party?
Holly is.
Holly. Get the pink one. Okay, that's enough, Papa. Yes, Baba. Ayaw niyang ilagay sa cart.
And white and black.
Dark blue. I know.
My favorite. Mine that. No, it isn't. And Holly and that and Mom.
Kuya teacher. Ayan na yung aming cart. Ayan na yung laman ng cart. And tumawag na si Jan. Andito na raw siya. Ayan na. Ayan na. Nakikita ko na si Daddy. Daddy's there, oh. Hinintay na ni Sak. Oh, ayan na si Sak. Come on. Wait, Baba. Ayan na. Tapos na sila. Sabi niya, hindi ka pa rin tapos. Kanina ka pa dyan. How's the lesson, Kuya? How's the lesson? Good? Here, Hannah. They wanna go to the playground.
Yeah.
Okay. See you, Baba. Bye. Bye. Mag-kiss to. Enjoy. Kanina pa siya nagyayaya na mag-playground daw. Sabi ko, mamaya na. So, ayan. Nandiyan si Daddy. So, ako na lang mag-isa. Let's go. Ayan, tapos na kami. Yung boys nandun sa, sa playground. Si Holly hindi siya allow. Kasi may nappy pa raw. 3 years old up daw ang pwede doon iiwan. Kaya, andito siya sa amin. Don't let go, Holly. Marami akong nakikita. That one, pay? We're gonna pay? Pay? Check out.
You go this way.
This way, Han.
Just before the trolleys turn right, then you start the view.
May nakuha na naman siyang kulay pink. Ayan, oh. Come on, halika na. Si Jan, kinuha na muna yung mga bata dun sa, sa play area. So, punta na tayo sa cashier. Oops. Over there, Baba. This way, this way. Nagkakahulog-hulog na itong ko. Tapos nagbablog pa talaga. Vlog pa more. Baba, hali, Dito na sila. How's the playground?
It's 30 minutes.
It's 30 minutes. Do you have to pay?
No.
Do you have to pay, Han?
No.
Do you have to pay? For the No. Free pala. Free. That? Okay. Kunin niya na yung car para i-park niya dun sa may loading. Kasi hindi pwedeng dalhin yung cart sa sa parking lot. Naman napagod ako. Ako lahat naglagay sa bag kasi dito ikaw na yung maglalagay. sila yung nag-scan, tapos ikaw maglalagay lahat ng pinamili mo sa bag. Ang tagal ko dun. Ako lang mag-isa kasi si Jan, di ba? Kinuha niya yung car. So, sabi ko, ikaw naman. Mashallah. Bukas, tatanggalin namin to kasi bukas may larong golf pa yung mga bata. Punta na kami sa bahay ng kapatid ni Jan. Then, magdi-dinner kami. 6 o'clock ang dinner. Or 7? 7 ha? 6. Oh, they're going somewhere at 8. It's 5:15 now. Maliligo pa yung boys. Ayan, bagsak na silang tatlo. Nilagay muna namin yung dalawa dito kasi alis na kami. Pero yung isang bag nandun na sa kung saan kami tumutuloy doon sa shed na yun. Kasi alis na kami. Magdi-dinner na. Yung mga boys nandun na. Ay, ayan pa pala. Where's Holly? Let's go. Hoy, put your shoes on. Come on, boys. Nandun na si Holly sa car. Nandun na siya. Come on.